Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop's web camera. First, open the camera on your laptop by clicking Start, then go into All Applications, selecting Camera, then you'll have to let camera access your microphone and camera and your location if you want, and then grab your QR code on a list of paper or maybe on your phone and face it to your device's web camera. Then select the third option right here, which is the barcode scanning option, and then open the link that appears on your screen, and this way you will get transferred to the resource you were trying to reach using your QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.